Hi guys, you might remember my little friend here, Kenny, or at least I call him Kenny. Bought him, well obviously it would have been Halloween times from Poundland, but I've pinched his bits to use in other solar projects, and I had a little idea. This is version 1 of my Rocking Grandad. Now, clearly I haven't got it quite right, I haven't got the balance right. Or the position, but I've got the general idea. And this bit here, I did that first, and then I did that part, and I enlarged that part so they're actually out of scale. So I need to change that a little bit. I also need to change the angle of this. I might have to give him something in this hand to try and balance it a bit, because obviously with the walking stick in that hand and the head pointing that way, all the weight's over this side. I don't know if I can, that's just stuck on with a bit of sticky at the moment. What happens if I move it all the way over there? Will that affect the balance? I think I need to give him a little bit of weight in his hand. Oh yeah. All out of alignment. Oh, there we go. So just a little bit of adjustment in his balance, and away we go. I think I might have to do a version 2, just so the proportions are better. In fact, from this camera angle it doesn't look bad at all. But if I change the camera angle, I think you might see what I mean about it being out of proportion. Yeah, need to adjust that a bit. But clearly just, if I give him a handbag, then the weight will be right, or the balance will be right. Oh, I'm quite pleased with that. That was just a little idea came to me, and it works fine. I could redesign it entirely and have a front on him as well, but I like it open like that so you can see exactly what's going on. I couldn't resist doing version 2. I've resized him so it's a bit bigger, so it's in keeping with the body. I also repositioned the rocking pivot a little bit higher up, so it's all sort of in proportion. I didn't give him a handbag, I've given him a little car. Don't know if you can make that out. Because rubber band powered cars were what got my channel going well. Thanks for watching. You'll find more information down in the video description. You might like to watch that video up there, and you might like to subscribe over there.